Good morning, children. Welcome back to social class. In our previous class, we have discussed about water wealth. Today's session is about agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. It is the vital part of food chain. All living things need food to survive. India is basically an agricultural country, as nearly 70% of the population depends on agriculture for a living. Agriculture involves producing crops for consumption by people as well as supplying raw materials for industries. India has two main agriculture seasons, Kharif and Rabi. India has two main agriculture seasons, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif or monsoon crops season is from June to October. Kharif or monsoon crops season is from June to October. Example, rice. Rice is a Kharif crop, but in some parts of India, it is grown in 2 or 3 times of year. Rabi crops season is from October to March. They are also called winter crops. Example, wheat. Next, come to types of crops. There are 2 types of crops. They are food crops or cash crops. There are 2 types of crops. What are they? They are food crops or cash crops. Now come to food crops. The crops that are used directly as food, such as rice, wheat, pulses, millet and barley, are called food crops or cereal crops. There are 2 types of crops. The food crops are cash crops. The food crops that are used directly as food, such as rice, wheat, pulses, millet and barley, are food crops or cereal crops. Now come to first one, rice. Rice is the staple food for most of the people in the eastern and southern part of India. It needs high temperature, that is about 20 degrees Celsius, and plenty of water to grow. Rice is the staple food for most of the people in the eastern and southern part of India. Where is rice grown? Rice is grown in the plains of the Ganges, the eastern and western coastal plain, deltas of the southern rivers, that is Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri rivers. Basmati rice is which is grown in Punjab and Haryana, in also exported. Basmati rice which is grown in Punjab and Haryana, that is also used exported. What is mean by exported? Export means to sell and send goods to another country. Next graph is wheat. Wheat is the staple food of North India. It requires cooler conditions to grow and is grown as Rabi or winter crop. The harvesting of this crop is celebrated as Baisakhi in the month of April in Punjab and Haryana. Wheat is also grown in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. The harvesting of this crop is celebrated as Baisakhi in the month of April in Punjab and Haryana. Pulses. Next one, pulses. Pulses are grown all over India. Examples of pulses are green gram, red gram, black gram, chickpeas and lentils. Next, come to the millets. Millets grow in drier conditions when compared to rice or wheat. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the main millet crops in India. Next, cash crops. Crops such as oilseeds, sugarcane, cotton, jute, spices and tobacco are produced mainly for export purpose, which provide a lot of income to our country. These are called cash crops or commercial crops. Tea, coffee and rubber are also cash crops but are called plantation crops as they are grown in plantation. Next, oil seeds. Groundnut, mustard, coconut and sesame or till are Oil seeds. Oil got from these oil seeds are used for cooking. Gujarat leads in the production of groundnuts. Sunflower is also widely grown for its oil. Next one, sugarcane. Sugarcane grows well in rich, loamy soil and is used for making sugar and jaggery. India is one of the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. It is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in our country. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in our country. Next one, cotton. Cotton is called the king of fibers. Cotton is called the king of fibers and grows best in a warm, dry climate and black clayey or alluvial soil. The leading producers of cotton in India are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Next one, jute. Jute is called the golden fiber. Jute is called the golden fiber and is used for making bags, carpets, ropes and so on. It needs plenty of water and a hot climate. It grows in the delta region of the Ganges River. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute. This crops also grows in the surrounding states of Assam, Bihar and Odisha. Next one, tea and coffee. India is the largest producer of tea and is grown on the hill slopes of Assam, West Bengal and Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. Coffee is grown in Tamil Nadu, Coorg in Karnataka and in Kerala. Did you know that some crops can be processed into fuel? Corn can be made into ethanol fuel used for vehicles and soybean oil can be made into diesel fuel. Next one, spices. Spices such as black pepper, cloves, cardamom, chilies, ginger and coriander are grown on the Malabar coast in Kerala and Karnataka. Next, we move on to Green Revolution. What is Green Revolution? To increase food production is called the Green Revolution. Food production in India was not sufficient to meet the demands of the growing population and food grains had to be imported. After independence, the Indian government built many multi-purpose projects and canals for irrigation. Farmers were educated on the benefits of organic fertilizers and they were also given better quality seeds to increase crop production. Cooperative banks gave loan to farmers to dig bore wells, tube wells and to buy modern agriculture equipments and machines such as tractors. All this lead to increased food production called the Green Revolution, where we do not have to import food grains anymore. However, a lot more needs to be done in order to increase the yield per hectare. Do you know Norman Borlaug, an American biologist and Nobel laureate, is called the father of the Green Revolution and is credited with saving more than 1 billion lives from starvation due to his innovative farming methods. Now come to the reconstruction. There are two types of crops. Food crops are cereal crops. Rice. Rice is the staple food for most of the people in the eastern and southern part of India. Wheat. Wheat is the staple food of North India. Pulses. Pulses are grown all over India. Millets. Millets grow in drier conditions. Next, cash crops are commercial crops. Oil seeds. Gujarat leads in the production of groundnuts. Sugarcane. India is one of the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane in our country. Cotton. Cotton is known as the king of fibers. Jute is called the golden fiber. Coffee and tea. India is the largest producer of tea and coffee. Spices. Spices are grown on the Malabar coast. Next, green revolution. To increase food production is called green revolution. Our government helps the farmer to increase the production of food crops in many ways. Thank you. Today's session is over.